5 Best Coffee Maker. Hello, in this video we are going to check out 5 Best Coffee Maker. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for hours. We've ranked the products based on their quality, specifications and all other important facts. We've tried to select them in a various price range. So, you can easily find the best product for you. You will find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Coming in at number 1 is Sicko HD8911. Sicko Espresso Machine comes with elegant design, best materials, and high-quality workmanship. This coffee maker is ceramic grinders deliver premium espresso coffee from fresh beans for 20,000 cups guaranteed. This coffee maker has classic milk frother system. It gives you to control the milk forth directly into your cup, just like your barista. You can easily maintenance and cleaning this coffee maker because it has removable brewing unit and automatic cleaning and descaling procedures. This coffee maker gives you most perfect coffee with your expectation. This coffee maker is available for large capacities and compact design. In second place is the Breville BJE820XL. Breville BJE820XL Barista Express Espresso Machine is the latest and newest technology's coffee maker. This coffee maker comes with 1600 watts thermocoil heating and 15-bar Italian pump system. This coffee maker has also automatic adjusts water temperature system. This coffee maker made with stainless steel conical burr grinder. So this coffee maker gives you long time service with more happiness. It's fully adjustable in grind size and dose, so you can tweak to taste. This coffee maker has also removable water tank with handle, so you can easily fill and refill it smoothly. This coffee maker has also volumetric control system, so you can preset single or double shot settings can be programmed to customize your short volume. This coffee maker is fulfill your expectation for your expected coffee. In third place is the Espresso Machine Aicok. Brew variety of coffee, 2-1 espresso maker with milk frother, make excellent espresso, cappuccino, latte and mocha. Rich taste espresso, with 15-bar high pressure pump, it brews rich tasting espresso, extraction of creamy and silky coffee, it will let you enjoy every drop of pure espresso. Efficient and fast, 1050 watts high power heater, it takes less time to get a fresh espresso. Cord length 26 inches. Awesome design, stainless steel body, ergonomic handle, automatic temperature control, removable water reservoirs with 43 ounces volume. 2 years warranty, 24-month warranty. Customer service is available for a lifetime, our service teams will be always on your side. In fourth place we have the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker, Silver. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker comes with the semi-automatic 3-1 system. So you can prepare easily espresso, cappuccino, and latte coffee. This coffee maker has also 15-bar pump system gives you rich tasting espresso coffee. You can easily make your expected coffee with a touch of button because this coffee maker has the one-touch control panel for drink selection. This coffee maker has a removable water tank and milk reservoirs, so you can easily fill or refill water and milk. This coffee maker has also trouble-free automatic milk frother removes the guesswork system. This coffee maker is durable and long-lasting for your more satisfaction. And finally the fifth one is the Dlong IEC155. Dlong IEC155 15-bar pump espresso and cappuccino maker comes with a patented dual-function filter holder. This coffee maker makes espresso preparation simple and fast. This coffee maker also easily prepares cappuccino for perfect drinks every time. This coffee maker gives you the espresso at the perfect temperature with 2 separate thermostats, which allow for water and steam pressure to be controlled separately. This coffee maker made with high-quality stainless steel boiler and 15-bar pump pressure, so this coffee maker is durable and long-lasting with more satisfaction. This coffee maker has also removable and reinsert water tank, so you can prepare espresso and clean up easily. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe this channel.